far, we are off to Samoa on a work trip. Now normally I just relax by the pool, but let's do things differently this time. I want to achieve 5 things. To ride a local Samoan bus, to swim with turtles, to hike to the top of a mountain, to relax on the beach, and to eat something local. All while spending less than $50 doing it. So come with me and let's go. We are now in Samoa. One last thing before we do head out. I'm not gonna need this, because we are on island time. I just need to find the bus that's going to take me to the ferry. So yes, here we are to checklist number 1. Take a local bus. But it's been enjoyable people watching. Just keep waiting, I guess. Or go for a 10-minute walk down to the local market and get something to eat. I can tick off the other item on my list. Morning. Alright, so trying to catch a local bus so far. Yeah, not that one. So far, fail. So, and get something local to eat. So far, failed. It's been almost 2 hours now I've been waiting. What I'm going to do then is go back to the hotel so I can use the toilet and may as well use the free breakfast, which I was too early for before, but yeah, and try again after. So let's have something to eat. Attempt 2. I am going to take a bus. I'm very determined. Does having breakfast at the hotel count as eating local? I don't think so. Pretty windy. I've made it to where I wanted to go. Oh my gosh, we'll talk when there's no wind. Well, what an adventure the local Samoan bus was. tick, that's on the list done. We are now arrived at the next destination. We've got the boat called out. We're going to hop on the boat and it's going to take us over to try and find some sea turtles. Yeah, and maybe hike a mountain. It does look like a mountainous island to me. So let's do it. I finally made it. It only took me 4 or 5 hours to get here. I don't have a watch. Obviously I took it off. Only have boats on us here, so let's hop on. How nice is this? So before I can have maximum relaximum, that's a word, let's go earn it. Let's go hike up to the top of this island and check out the viewpoint. And then we'll get in the water to try and find some sea turtles. Let's do it. I mean, hiking in thongs. Is that smart? I might have to go barefoot on the way down. Ooh, too wild. I swear there's one of these at the park down the road. Ooh. Wow. It got even better. Check it out. This counts as a mountain conquered. So that list is ticked. And oh, is that another viewpoint? Kind of want to go there. Why not? We're already up here. Had to do it. I'll let the locals get real close to the edge though. That's not for me. It's not worth for the Instagram. Okay, this time I'm officially done. So let's head back down because I want to get in that water. That's a snorkel. Check it out, it's so windy though. I've asked about the people and they said they couldn't find any turtles, so we may not have much luck. But it's worth giving a shot. would call that unsuccessful. Bow. Across. So I'm just going to go relax, let this shirt dry, and well, relax is on the list. I can't see, it's so bright and salty. Anyway, seaweed. So, okay. But you know what? If I see a turtle on the way back on the boat, I'm counting it. Back at the hotel, clearly I've changed my shirt. Took a cab back. I had no other choice, the buses weren't running anymore, so I definitely blew the budget and went over 50 Australian dollars. And I haven't even eaten something local yet. Thanks for watching. A little fun here in Samoa. I better get some sleep before I fly home. I'm wrecked. Alright, night.